network intrusion detection and analysis. Introduction. With the rise of cybersecurity threats, detecting and analyzing malware and network intrusions has become crucial for organizations. This lecture covers key concepts, techniques, and tools used in malware and intrusion detection. Malware detection. Malware is malicious software designed to disrupt, damage, or gain unauthorized access to computer systems. Common types include viruses, attached to files and spread when executed; worms, self-replicating programs that spread across networks; trojans, disguised as legitimate software to gain access to a system; ransomware, encrypts user data and demands ransom for decryption; spyware, secretly gathers user information; signature-based detection. Signature-based detection relies on a database of known malware signatures. This method is effective against known threats but fails against zero-day malware. Example: using ClamAV for malware scanning. ClamAV is an open-source antivirus engine that scans files for known malware signatures. ClamScanner runs a recursive scan on the specified directory. If a known signature is found, the tool reports the infected file. Heuristic-based detection. Heuristic analysis identifies malware based on behavioral patterns instead of specific signatures. This helps detect new or modified threats. Example: Python script for basic heuristic detection. The following script calculates the SHA-256 hash of files and compares them to a list of known malicious hashes. The script scans files recursively, computes their hash values, and checks against a database of malicious hashes. If a match is found, it alerts the user of potential malware. Network intrusion detection. Intrusion detection systems (IDS) monitor network traffic for suspicious activity. Types of IDS. Host-based IDS. HIDS monitors specific host systems for unusual activities. Network-based IDS. NIDS analyzes network traffic for anomalies and attack signatures. Example: using Snort for intrusion detection. Snort is a powerful open-source NIDS that detects suspicious network activity. Snort rule example. Custom Snort rules can define specific network attack patterns. This rule alerts if a suspicious TCP packet is detected on port 80, HTTP traffic. Message provides a description. SID, unique identifier for the rule. Python script for packet sniffing. Scapy. Scapy is a powerful network packet manipulation tool. The script captures 10 network packets and prints the source and destination IP addresses. Sniff, PRN equals packet underscore callback, store equals 0, count equals 10 captures and processes packets. Useful for monitoring traffic and detecting anomalies. 3. Analyzing malware and intrusions. Effective detection requires additional analysis methods. Reverse engineering. Tools like ID8 Pro and Ghidra analyze malware behavior. Log analysis. Reviewing system and network logs for unusual activity. Sandboxing. Running suspicious files in isolated environments, e.g., Cuckoo sandbox. Example: running a suspicious file in Cuckoo sandbox. Cuckoo sandbox safely executes and analyzes malware. Cuckoo submits /path/ to /suspicious/ file. The tool provides behavioral reports, API calls, and network interactions. Useful for analyzing unknown threats without harming the system. Conclusion: understanding malware and network intrusion detection techniques is critical for cybersecurity professionals. By using tools like ClamAV, Snort, Scapy, and Cuckoo Sandbox, analysts can proactively detect and mitigate threats before they cause damage.